There we go, boys. Yo, what's going on, everyone? We're gonna recap today through 2 trades and futures. Recap how is it going, what's the plan, and etc. So as you can boys see, today I'm minus $70, which is honestly not that bad, considering I'm down minus 900 overall. But what's happening is I've been going for these tough markets. As you know, right now the market is pretty tough. Um, and that's pretty much it. To be honest, I've been enjoying futures. To be honest, like I really like it. I also have my finals right now, so I'm not that deep into the markets, but I'm still deep into the markets. If you get what I'm saying, probably do. Anyways, I missed today's New York Open because of my final exam, and as you can boys see, probably saw on the in the markets, the New York price action was pretty clear. Let me just go through this. Yeah, so I marked out two suicide equities yesterday, and we ended up sweeping both, tapping into this daily fair value up on NQ, and then having a perfect trade entry, which is basically a 3-minute inverse fair value gap. You enter like this, and you can target whatever you want to. Whether you target this, and my final target would be this buy side liquidity, which would end up in a 1 to 8 RR ratio. So essentially, I would pass the account. However, I didn't take this trade, so I tried taking on the continuation on NQ. When I came back home, I went on a PM session, and I took this trade. So let me just recap through that. I was a losing trade, as you can both see. Let me just recap through it quickly. So going into the markets, I knew that we are moving up. I also marked this what's wrong? What's happening? Whatever, right? No clue what's happening. Let me just refresh the whole thing. Yeah, it should be fixed now. Yeah, so the only thing that I didn't like in the market today is that we never tapped into this inverse value gap. But I just realized it's an inverse, so that's actually good because it's saying to us that it is protected, so we're gonna move up. But that's why I thought anyways, without saying that it's an inverse. So my first entry was actually pre-market open, and was based on this 5-minute inversion, which is actually perfect. And my actual entry was based on this 3-minute inversion, but we also got a 5-minute inversion, which was actually pretty good, and I liked it. So yeah. However, my first take profit was this buy side liquidity, but we never ended up going to it. So I just lost like 450 on this one, I reckon, or something like that. But this ended up to be a clean, very clean sweep. And yeah, we ended up moving higher. So I took a second trade on ES. Why ES? Because I just thought it's gonna be more of going upwards, but in fact it's not. It's the lagging index, but it is what it is. I've seen like this low is lower than this low, so I was like, okay, we're gonna move higher on ES quicker. So I wanted to take this trade, right? And I took it. I basically retook the same idea, but this time we swept this 15-minute sell side liquidity. We filled further this value gap. On here we also filled it, and I'm pretty sure there was something else. No, that's pretty much it. And yeah, then scaling down to 3-minute time frame, I had an inverse value gap, which I entered off of. So my entry was based like this. Pretty nice. This trade, bear in mind, was low risk because I already lost like $400. So I risked like only $120 on this one, I'm pretty sure. But I still managed to make back basically $350, which says that it's a 3 RR ratio. My final take profit was this. which would make me 600, so I would be 200 in profit right now. But it is what it is. I took out the first contract when we tapped into this buy side liquidity, and then the other 2 or 3, I'm not pretty sure what I exactly had. Let me show the executions. Yes, I had 4 contracts right here. You can see the executions and everything, right? Let me just turn that off. Yeah, no, let me just turn that on. Actually, that's gonna be useful. And then the second take profit ended up being a stop loss, actually, because I panicked. Not panicked, but like I wanted to be secure that we're not gonna move below this 5-minute gap and this 15-minute gap, and we ended up going slightly ticking below it to just move higher to our final take profit, but it's fine. I still made most of my money back. It's not horrible, but I'm seeing the price action is slowly slowing down and giving us this clean, very clean idea of what market is gonna do right now. What I'm hoping to see is a move up towards the 20,000 mark on Nasdaq, which is right here. As you can both see, that's a very strong buy side liquidity. We also have other targets on the way. But yeah, you can just see how this price is clean, giving clean entries and everything. So tomorrow I'm again bullish, but as you know, Thursdays they like to reverse, but we had the reversal today, so hopefully tomorrow we don't have any reversals. We're just gonna continue to move up, get some clean sweeps on the market New York Open, and then just continue to win. And that's essentially what we're gonna do. But yeah, do I treat this trade as a losing trade? Yes, I do. I made my journaling. I know what I did wrong. I didn't wait for the 50-minute sweep because I took this trade based on a 5-minute sweep, which is clearly not enough for my strategy. So 50-minute is the lowest time frame I'm considering when considering a sweep. That's the conclusion I made from today. It's pretty good because I managed to make my money back, so I'm pretty satisfied. You guys got the breakdown of my trades. I feel like this one was pretty strong. I could have held honestly towards here, and that would be a 4.3 RR ratio, which is really good. And even how I wanted to hold this one up to here, which is on ES. Pretty sure it's this level, right? It's one of it's one of these two, but let me just check real quick. Yeah, so it's a bit different. So I reckon it's this one, but I would probably take the trade-off of this one, right? So that would be a 6 RR ratio, so that would make me like 1k, which would make me go break even. But it is what it is. I got stopped out on plus $330, something like that. So I'm still pretty happy, but disappointed at the same time, if you get what I'm saying. Anyways, thank you for watching today. I hope to upload more videos in the upcoming days of breakdowns. I will see how it goes because I got my finals now, so I'm pretty busy. But yeah, wish me luck in my finals. I wish you all luck in your trading journey. Wish me luck as well. Join my Discord because I'm trying to make it active. Follow me on X, and that's it. See you boys. Bye.